Fine. So good morning, guys. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. Yes. Yes. During the session, if you have any doubts or if you have any other issues, please enter in the chat window so that I can address about that particular issue. And still, if the doubt is not clear, so that we can take on to the speakers and we can talk about it. Okay, fine. So very good morning. This is Chandra from Rtl Technologies. We are here to provide Oracle Fusion trainings. We are here to provide Oracle Fusion trainings. So we are providing both functional, technical trainings in Oracle Fusion applications. So this is today about the demo Fusion Technical, Oracle Fusion Technical Consultant. So that's the role. People who are from EBS background, they can get easily, they can easily understand. And people who are from non-ERP background, no problem. So whatever the session I'm going to take, it's for freshers also. There are a number of people who are attending as a fresher also. So we treat that. So all are new to ERP industry, and we are going to start the demo and as well as the training. Okay. So today is our demo, Wednesday, as well as Thursday, tomorrow, and also in Friday. These 3 days we have the demos. Just 1 second. Hello. Already session lo unnanu. Already connect kammani cheppanడి. I'm sorry for that. Fine. So let's talk about Oracle Fusion applications. Oracle Fusion applications is one of the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. It is one of the ERP introduced by Oracle company. Oracle company has introduced another ERP into the market called Oracle Fusion applications. So Oracle Fusion is one of the ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. If any client or any enterprises are doing the business to maintain their enterprise transactions, to maintain their business transactions, like their financials data, their call center data, customer relationship management, and their sales data, procurement data and inventory, and their employees, HCM, human capital management. Let's say if the client is having around 5,000 to 10,000 or 50,000 or 1 lakh employees, to maintain their employees data, who is the manager, what is the job, what is the position, which department, to whom they are reporting, what is the salaries, what about the incentives, what about the benefits, to maintain that data, HRMS. To maintain their day-to-day financial transactions, debit and credit financials, supply chain management, CRM. When you combine all these 4 domains, it becomes as a ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP industry, like ERP applications, has started from 1996. ERP has started from 1996, almost 20 years. Last 20 years, this ERP application, number of clients started using these applications. SAP is one of the finest ERP and Oracle applications, or we call it as Oracle EBS. Oracle EBS, both are same. Oracle EBS, Oracle applications, both are same. So these two are very old ERPs, are introduced in 1996, almost 20 years. Last 20 years, these ERPs are there in the market. In fact, PeopleSoft also JD Edwards, Siebel. These are other ERPs also we used to have in the market. But these three ERPs are merged with Oracle. Now no more PeopleSoft, no more JD Edwards, no more Siebel. All these three ERPs are merged with Oracle. So it's there is no chance to talk about PeopleSoft or JD Edwards or Siebel. If any client says that I want to implement PeopleSoft ERP, Oracle is ready to sell the product. But what Oracle says, why you go for PeopleSoft? Because we are not much interested about this ERP application for development in the future. Okay, so that's Oracle is trying to market their ERP, either this one or this one. So now Oracle has got two ERPs in the hand. Other ERPs also there, but they are not much interested to project this ERPs into the clients. Okay, so they decided to go ahead with the Oracle Fusion and Oracle EBS. Okay, and Microsoft also in the ERP industry last 10 years, they also introduced one ERP into the market, Microsoft Dynamics, and Workday also has came into the picture, and Salesforce also came into the picture. It's all our cloud ERPs. It's all about the cloud ERPs we got. Okay, so these are the number of ERPs we have in the market in the worldwide. This all we have worldwide ERPs. This all. So when we have all these ERPs in the market, then why Oracle has developed one more ERP right from the scratch? This is not the integration. Oracle Fusion Applications is one of the ERP developed by Oracle company right from the scratch. Each and every line of coding they have written right from the scratch. They have not done any integration of other ERPs or something. Okay. So then why Oracle has started building the new ERPs? Now the clients are looking for following. I'll just show you one image which will give more clarity on this ERP evaluation. Now, if you look at this diagram, it's going to show us in 1960s, we used to have the environment of mainframes computing. In 1960s, we used to have the mainframe servers and we used to have inventory control packages. In 1970s, we have mid-range computing, MRP. 1990s, we got client server computing, client server architecture. 1990s, actual ERP has come. That time only your SAP and Oracle has came into the picture. This 1990s internet computing, and in 2000 we got service oriented architecture, SOA. In 2000 we got service oriented architecture, SOA architecture. In 2010 onwards, means when I say 2010, from 2012 13 like this is the area where the clients are looking nowadays. Now the clients are looking for cloud environment. Whatever the applications they are using, that applications must support for cloud. That's what the clients are expecting. And your application should support for mobility. It means they want to access the entire application from smartphones and tabs. And your application must support for social sites integration. Social sites integration. Let's say I would like to publish about my company product details in some social sites. It may be Facebook, or it may be LinkedIn, or it may be YouTube, or it may be Google Plus, or it can be anything. So I don't want again log into that. I would like to publish directly from my application. So then your application should be compatible for integration with the social sites. And your application should have the facility to provide the analytics. So far analysis happened. Analysis means what happened. Analytics means what's going to happen. You have to predict. How can you predict? When you have the analysis, then you can tell analytics. If you maintain your client's business data last 5 years or 10 years, then you can tell next 2 years or 5 years what is their business, what will be their profit and loss, and what charges they can do, what changes they have to do in their business. So that's what the people are expecting. So analysis means what happened. Analytics means what's going to happen in the future. Predictions. Okay. So this is the main area every client is focusing. So whatever the applications they are using, means softwares they are using, those applications or softwares should be compatible for cloud, should be compatible for mobility, should be compatible for social sites and analytics. Okay. So if we say this is what actually the people are expecting, now these are the ERPs which will not support 100% all this, which will support for up to some extent, but not 100%, up to some extent, not 100%. So that's a reason why Oracle, that's a reason what Oracle has done is they started building the another ERP called Oracle Fusion Applications. Oracle Fusion Applications. This ERP is 100% web-based. The entire application you can access from the web like this. Cloud HCM direct login. So this is cloud environment we are using. We are Oracle training partners. So we'll be accessing directly from the Oracle Cloud. Oracle Cloud is nothing but Oracle server. Cloud is nothing but another system. It is as simple as cloud is nothing but another system. Just 1 second. Tap into the password. Oh. Like this, we can access the entire ERP from the web. From the web application, we can access. So let's say, for example, earlier, Flipkart is one of the e-commerce, right? So one of the e-commerce website. So they have built the website in some web technologies. To maintain their enterprise data, they are using Oracle applications. they are using Oracle applications. So two technologies now this client is using. One is a web technologies that they might have used some .NET or some PHP or some other web application they are using. So this is to maintain the web services, and to maintain their business transactions, they are using the Oracle applications. But now what Oracle says, Oracle Fusion applications is enough to maintain both the things, because this is fully compatible for your web based. Now you can access complete application from the web. So this front end designing is completely web 2.0. So it's the latest version, like almost like a Facebook environment, front end look and feel. Yes. Like this complete front end is an web application environment where we can access entire application. Next, this application you can execute in the cloud, or you can execute in your own server. On premises is nothing but our server. Cloud is nothing but others server. Let's say we don't have the budget to buy a server, then what we'll do is we can use some other server and we'll pay per month some rental amount. So that's what we call it as a cloud. Microsoft cloud, Oracle cloud, Amazon cloud. So this all our cloud is nothing but another infrastructure. We'll talk about that later, next level, next topic. And this is the Fusion applications is compatible for desktop, tab piece and mobility. And all reporting can be done: BI reports, OBI analytics, OTBI reports, dashboards, social sites, big data projects. These all are compatible. Okay, so these ERPs are not compatible for all these requirements, like what the clients are looking for here. So the existing ERPs are not compatible in all these places. That's why Oracle has built the new ERP and introduced it into the market. Oracle Fusion applications. Okay. Now here in Fusion applications, what are the environments we can execute? So there are three environments. One is cloud SaaS model, cloud PaaS model, on premises. Cloud SaaS model, software as a service. Software as a service. Cloud SaaS model is nothing but Oracle will maintain the DBA activities. There is no technical role, only functional role will be there. Functional setups. Cloud PaaS model means Oracle will maintain the DBA role. We can customize the product. There will be a technical role and there will be a functional role. On premises is nothing but our server. So we have to recruit our DBA, and our technical consultants will build the application. Our functional consultants are going to configure the applications. So whenever we want to implement the Fusion applications to the client, we will ask the client, are you looking for cloud SaaS model? Are you looking for cloud PaaS model? Or you will go with your own premises? Okay. Cloud SaaS model is very less price, because the same server will be used by the multiple enterprises. Multiple clients are going to share same server, software as a service model. So here you cannot touch the server because that's under control of Oracle. You cannot do more technical activities over here. That's under control of Oracle. Functional configuration can be done. When we go for cloud PaaS model, In the PaaS model is an individual server allocated to your client. Platform as a service. Individual server is allocated to your client. So here only DBA activities are controlled by Oracle. Oracle will take care of the DBA activities. Complete technical will be under control. We can develop, we can customize, we can enhance the application, and functional role is obviously available. So configurations can be done. On premises is nothing but our individual server. On premises is nothing but our individual server. So in our individual server, our DBA will be there. So he will be going to install the application, and then technical roles and functional and whatever we want to do, we can do it. This is happened last 20 years. Last 20 years, most of the clients has gone to the on-premises. No question of cloud. Cloud has introduced in 2012-13, means almost 4-5 years back. Okay. So last 4-5 years, most of the clients, they are looking for cloud environment because of the maintenance cost, upgrade, and other advantages are there. Because when you are using the cloud, for example, if there is a problem with your data, then who has to take care? That Oracle has to provide. Maybe you are using Oracle Cloud. If you are using the Oracle Cloud, then Oracle has to take care of the data security, application security. If you are using Microsoft Cloud, then Microsoft has to take care. But generally, the clients who are using the Oracle products, they prefer the Oracle Cloud. People who are using Microsoft products, what they'll do, they'll prefer the Microsoft Cloud instead of going to some other company. So that's every clients, they started having their own cloud environment. Instead of having others, they started their own cloud environment. Okay. So these are the 3 environments, your Fusion application. So when you are preparing the resume, the clients can ask you, or in the interviews, they will ask you, which environment you worked in the Fusion applications. Are you working in cloud SaaS model? Are you working in cloud PaaS model? Or are you working in on-premises environment? But on-premises, still no clients has started working, because this product as introduced in 2013. 2013, Oracle has introduced this product, Oracle Fusion Applications, almost 4 years. Initially, it was failure. In 2016, last year only, it's got success. Different versions they have released, release 1, release 2, 3, up to now the latest version is release 11. This is the latest version which is going on in the market. Okay, so in 2016, means last year, this product has got success. It's almost 1.5 years. 2016 January, Oracle has released this version, release 11. It's got very good feedback from the clients. Okay, almost 7,000 clients has implemented Fusion applications across the world. This is very less a number. Generally, it should be more than 1 lakh customers. So that's a very starting point. This is Fusion applications. So what Oracle is planning to do is, they would like to stop the service of this 4 ERPs after some time, and they would like to have only 1 ERP in the market, that's called Fusion applications. So that's what they would like to have it. Okay. So release 1, 2, 3. Now the latest version is release 11. Release 11. Okay. Rtl is one of the client who has implemented Fusion applications. FedEx is one of the big client who has implemented Fusion applications for this. Yes, release 12 has come into the market, but it's still beta version, Dasrath. Yeah, release 11 is the production. Release 12 also has came into the picture, but still it is beta version. So Oracle is not yet given to the clients. Maybe some clients have started. Okay. Fine. This is about the environments. This is about the environments. Okay. Next. Then what about the jobs in Fusion applications? There will be 3 types of jobs in Fusion applications. There will be three types of jobs in Fission applications. One is Fission functional, another one is Fission technical, another one is Fission middleware. There will be three types of jobs in Fission applications: Fission functional, Fission technical, and Fission middleware. In Fission functional, again, there are financials, functional, supply chain management, functional, HCM, functional, CRM, functional, or we call it as a sales cloud. So there are four jobs again: financial functional consultant, supply chain management functional consultant, HCM functional consultant, CRM functional consultant. Technical, there will be only one. You cannot say that I am a financial technical, I am a supply chain management technical, I am a HCM technical. You should be in a position to work in any environment. Those days are gone. Earlier, they used to hire, we are looking for only finance technical. They are looking for SCM technical, like that. But now it's purely Fission technical. You should be in a position to work in the financials, SCM, HCM. CRM somewhat later, very less people. But these three are mandate: finance and supply chain management and human capital management. Okay, that's going to be Fission technical. Fission middleware. What is exactly the middleware is, I'll just show you one diagram which will give you more clarity about the Fission applications. Now this diagram, it will shows you Oracle has got JD Edwards ERP, PeopleSoft ERP, eBusiness ERP, Siebel ERP. All these ERPs they have merged. Means they started creating the new ERP application called Fission applications. They don't want to continue like this 4 ERPs. They have 4 ERPs in their hand. Instead of providing the support for 4 members or 4 different products, they would like to have only one product in the future. When I say in the future, maybe after 4-5 years, I don't think so these ERPs will be in the market. After 2020, PeopleSoft, Siebel and JD Edwards is almost not available. And Oracle e-business suite is there. Most of the clients are using the Oracle applications. That clients as the Oracle has tell that 2020 is the last date for Oracle applications. Then after that, they are going to concentrate more on the Fission applications. So after some time, there will be only one ERP from Oracle company called Fission applications. Okay. And this particular image will show you the entire application architecture. Fission applications, middleware is there, database is there, operating system, virtual machine, servers, storage. But these all are not required for us. These all are not required for us. Okay. This is our job, database, technical consultants. This is separate, middleware. Middleware means service oriented. SOA you will get, Oracle Identity Management you will get, EPM, Enterprise Performance Management, and Business Intelligence, Content Management, Application Grid, this all come separate. So Fission middleware is one of the product in the Fission family. Fission middleware is one of the product in the family. Applications is nothing but a functional consultant. Application configuration, it's going to be functional consultant. So there will be 3 different types of jobs in Fission: functional, technical and middleware. So we are already in the functional area. People who are not in a position to write the coding, they'll go for functional. They prefer the functional. And people who want to go with SQL, whoever is strong, as well as the basic Java knowledge, they prefer the technical. They go for preference of technical. Okay. So let me show you what is the technical syllabus in Fusion applications. So here in Fusion applications, technical syllabus we have to divide into two different sessions. We cannot learn in one session. This has been divided into two parts. First part is Oracle Fusion Technical Part 1. Second one is Part 2. So the Part 1, what we are trying to learn is, we are trying to learn these two environments. In these two environments, how to work as technically. Second part, we will be learning these two. Okay. So this will be learned. So sometimes what happened, first part is enough. It's very difficult to maintain at a time these two. So we can call it as this is basic Fusion technical. Generally, this is enough to get, and this is advanced Fusion technical. This is advanced Fusion technical consultants. Okay. So in the first technical consultant, what we are going to learn is, first we'll have the introduction of Fusion applications, how to create implementation projects, how to create our own username and password, how to add the roles and responsibilities, IDM, Oracle Identity Management, APM, Authorization Policy Manager, nothing but a access, how to add the offerings to your client, your user. This is what we'll be discussing. Okay. The second week, we will be talking about the enterprise structure. And this is what our P2P cycle, we call it as P2P cycle, procurement, AP, and approvals. Then third week, we'll be talking about the value sets, flex fields, lookups, order to cash cycle, order management and account receivables, O2C cycle. And then fourth week, we'll be starting BA reports, OTBA reports, and shared areas, complete business intelligence reporting. Fifth week, we'll be talking about inbound interface and outbound interfaces, data loading, data extraction. Sixth week, we'll talk about the customizations, how to customize the ADF pages, how to build simple pages by using application composer, how the integrations happen with other applications. This is the first part of Fusion Technical. And the second part of Fusion Technical is very strong, ADF development. You should be in a position to develop the new pages. For this, basic Java knowledge is required. OBI analytics. You should be in a position to build the SQL queries and do the analysis, analytics. BPM, business process management. So you should be in a position to build the workflows, approvals. This all we have to do. Okay. So this three comes under the second part. So this is going to be part 1 and this is going to be the part 2. Two parts we are going to provide. This first part and this is second part. So we can call it as advanced. This is sufficient. This particular syllabus is sufficient for cloud SaaS model projects. If your client is going for cloud SaaS model, this syllabus is suitable. 100% you are a technical consultant. In case if the client is going for cloud PaaS model or on-premises, then you have to learn this. Okay. So two things are here. Two things are here. Okay. We cannot learn this directly without learning this. So finally, first we have to complete this part. This you must be perfect. If you want to be a Fusion technical consultant, this has to be done. First part has to be completed. After that, if you get a job, then well and good. in this environment. Otherwise, you have to extend your skills into the second part. That's going to be your advanced. Because ADF itself, it takes 25 days. Only this tool takes 25 days to build. OB Analytics, obviously, it takes another 15 days. And BPM maybe another 7-8 days to build the process, workflow process. So this itself another 1.5 months, and this going to be 1 month maximum, 1 month or 40 days maximum. This okay. So we cannot learn this directly. So we must go for the first part of the fusion technical. After that only we can learn the second part. So two parts we have divided. First part is suitable for this type of project, cloud SaaS model. If your client is going for cloud PaaS model and on premises, then definitely we have to learn this one also. These three tools also we have to learn. Okay, fine. So that's the syllabus of the Fusion technical here. So any doubts here regarding, please let me know. Yes, Syed, it's a separate. So first you have to complete this one. It is a one course. Some people, yes, part 2, it's going to be advanced. Say, some people want to complete only first part and try for jobs. There are jobs only this. Let me show you. You go for Naukri. Oracle Fusion Technical, Supply Chain Management and Financials. When I go to this, it's going to ask us Oracle Technical Resource with good knowledge on Oracle Fusion application. That is what this. You should have the good knowledge and Fusion application means this. This is basic learning about the application. Then after that, maybe Oracle EBS and third-party applications. Maybe you have Oracle EBS and third-party, means other applications. And good experience on Oracle Fusion applications, data migration, interface, and reporting. That's what this. This is reporting. This is migration and interfaces. Okay, and Fusion application. And working experience in cloud extension through ADF or Java cloud service or developer cloud services. That is what I told second part, ADF is. Okay. Reporting methodology, OBAA or OBAE, and work experience on enterprise grade cloud computing, SaaS model, PaaS model, and basic Java knowledge. That is not a file-based data import. This all comes in our syllabus. Here only, file-based data loader, this all it is. Okay. So this is the first part, everybody must learn. This is basic. This is Fusion technical basic, everybody should learn it. So people who are working in Oracle applications, yes, Aishwarya, this is separate. Part 1 and part 2, we are going to consider 2 are different courses. First course will be completed in 30 to 40 days. After learning the first course and do the practice, and once you are comfortable, then you will go for prefer to learn either second part, nothing but advanced, or you may be stopping here itself and try for the jobs. It's the candidate flexibility. So both are separate courses we are going to treat. We are going to treat both are separate courses. Okay. Yes, Bandar, Suresh, first formulas, yes, definitely it comes here. It comes first formulas here as a technical part of HCM. So I'm going to cover three domains: financials, supply chain management, and HCM. Okay, these three. So people who are from Oracle applications background, Oracle applications technical background, this is very useful and they can easily adapt this application. People who are new to Fusion applications, definitely it will be a little bit hard. It takes time. Because people who are from EBS, they might have gone through this RISE OW. R stands for reports. That's what this. Interfaces and conversions. That's what this. Extensions, personalizations. That's what this. OAF is there. In Oracle Fusion, complete ADF. That is this. Workflow is there. That is going to be this. Additionally, you got OBI analytics part. Because as I told, now every client is looking for the analytics facility in the business application. So if you have huge data in your database, obviously you need analytics and analysis, both. Yes. Okay. Yes, tell me any other doubts? So first part will be completing first. It takes 30 to 40 days maximum. So once we complete the first part, then people would like to go for second part or they want to try only with the jobs. There are jobs for first part also. As I have shown right now, this is a cloud environment. Okay. So they need enough this one. And there may be some other jobs, HCM functional, Fusion technical, only this. Rakesh, it's not like SOA means it comes, it's got some other options. BPM, business process management, is basically approvals, sending notifications or emails your business data like Bepel processor. Okay. So like a workflow, maybe you have the idea from Oracle EBS. In Oracle EBS, we used to have the workflow. Here we'll be using business process management. It's a part of SOA. Next, Aishwarya, yes, there are limited and obviously we will find on-site opportunities also. It's a new product released by Oracle across the world. So we'll find an on-site also this. Yes. Any other doubts? Fine. So tomorrow again we'll meet at 6 a.m. Tomorrow also is our demo session. Tomorrow and Friday also. Okay. So tomorrow we'll be talking about introduction of Fusion applications. What are the modules we have in Fusion, and what are the different areas we have, and what modules we are going to talk about that it is. Yeah. Please provide your email ID and phone number so that we'll share this video. And regarding this RTL Technologies facilities, every session will be recorded and shared across your email ID. Through your Gmail ID, we will share it. So in case due to network issue or due to your other issues, if you are not able to attend the session, After that, you can go through the video. After that, you can go through the video. The second one, if you are missing any sessions, you can attend them in another session. Every day, 5 batches are going on. So any of the batch you will be going for. And every batch will have WhatsApp group. So during the practice, so in case if there are any issues, you will put it on WhatsApp group. I'll be in the group. So if there is any problem, obviously immediately I'll give the reply. So you have to access through internet. We'll provide you the cloud credentials. How to do the practice lab is, we'll provide you the cloud credentials. Through credentials, you can log in. Just now I have connected, right? This. Like this through the credentials what we have given. So you'll be connecting. So after you connecting to the application, then you can start practice. During the practice, if you get any problem, immediately you will post in WhatsApp group. So people who has confirmed for the batch, for every batch, there will be one WhatsApp group. So in that group, you are going to put voice message or image or any other issues, then I am going to put it. Then we are ready to go for placement, but it is chargeable. We are going to charge after that placement also. We'll provide the training, we'll provide you the resume. If you want to apply, you can apply your own way. And if you are looking for a placement also from our end, we are ready to do the placement, but that's going to be charged. Okay. So that charges you have to talk over the phone. Here I cannot tell because it's going to be recorded session. Okay, fine. So this is 100% useful for the people who are working in Oracle applications as technical consultant. People already working in Oracle applications, they must learn the Fusion applications. It is mandatory. Oracle, PeopleSoft, eBusiness, Cbel, all these people who are working in these ERPs, they must learn the Fusion applications. It is mandatory because Oracle has already decided to go for one ERP into the market after some time. After some time, in the sense, maybe after 3 years or 4 years. Already they have started selling the product to the clients. So obviously, they cannot stop to the existing ERPs immediately, right? They have to give at least 4 or 5 years time to the clients. So people who are already using the applications, they cannot immediately migrate into new one because it's expensive, again risky, it's a waste of time or something they'll think. So new clients are going for Fusion. That is common. New clients, instead of going for existing ERPs, they are going for the new product. But people who are already using this ERPs, existing clients, definitely they take some time. Maybe 3 to 4 years or 5 years or 6 years time they'll take. After that, they have to migrate into Fusion. So now the Fusion market is just started. So now this is not actual the market. Maybe it takes another 1 or 1.5 year. But this is just starting point for the Fusion applications. So at any point of time, consultants who are working in all these ERPs, they must learn the Fusion. There is no option because Oracle has already decided to close the center for all these ERPs. Only supporting they'll provide to the client. The Oracle sales team has already started projecting this ERP to the clients instead of this existing ERPs. Rakesh, BPM will be covered under part 2. Part 1, we are going to cover only approval process. You might have seen here. So how to do the approval, BPM and security. It's like if you are from Oracle applications background, I can say simple. You created one invoice, but you are not able to approve because your invoice amount is more. Then who has to approve? Your manager has to approve it. So how to create employee, how to create manager, how to set the approvals. This all will be discussed. But I want to write some logic. I don't want to go for management hierarchy. I would like to go for some other logic. Then you have to write the coding. That's what we call it as a BPM, business process management. So there we will be discussing that details. Okay. Fine. So we'll meet tomorrow at 6 a.m. sharp, 6 a.m. IST. Again, same meeting ID will be there. So tomorrow we'll discuss about the Fission application, different modules. What are the modules they have introduced? Tomorrow you will be getting more clarity about the modules and other things here. Okay, fine. So you in the chat window you have the phone number. Like this is our official website. If you have any queries, you have to contact on this number. Okay, fine. So let's see you tomorrow morning at 6 a.m. Thank you. Bye.